Marian, global presence, local solutions. Marian offers unparalleled capacity with 8 production facilities and over 250 die-cutting machines. When you have a tough design issue, Marian will help you find a solution to meet your needs. Using over 500,000 square feet of production space worldwide and state-of-the-art manufacturing technologies, our engineering and production teams provide you with precision flexible component parts for your product. We supply parts to thousands of companies, but we specialize in the electronics, automotive, and medical industries. Our responsive approach, in-depth material knowledge, innovative manufacturing capabilities, and high standards for quality all add up to provide you with the best component solutions in the industry.